Purple? You want a purple? That's Kana. Do you want to look for Thomas? Yun, I found Thomas here. Yeah!
No, put it back.
Ay, ayaw mo to. What? What do you want? A guitar? You gonna play the guitar? Are you sure that's what you want? If you're not sure, you can put it back. Oh, baka masira, anak. Oh, you can put it back if you don't want it. I'll put it back.
I need to understand.
There's no battery. You want this? Let's put it back. Oh no, the guitar will... Yan ang gusto mo? Anak, how about this? Or this one? Thank you for putting it back. Sorry po. Come on. A pink car? Let's check another toy na lang. How about that pet dog? Ito oh. Ano yan? Show me, show me. Sushi. Come on, there's another toys pa doon. Dito, dito. That's for babies. That's for babies. Look at the picture. It's for a baby. Look.
No.
That's for a baby. That's for a baby, anak. Let's put it back. Look at the picture. Ayun, I found something. Dali, put it back. That's for babies. Here, yan, anak. Dito yan. Akin na. Dito, ako na. Dito, ito. I'll show you. Yung gusto, ganito, ganito. Come on. Here. How about this one? Yan na here, oh.
No.
No? Are you sure? Gusto mo yan? Si Spider-Man? How about Thomas and Friends? Si Spider-Man ang gusto mo? Ayun, Thomas and Friends, ayun no? I'll show you. Ito? Put it back ko na to.
What's that down?
I think it's... How about Thomas? Thomas and Friends ito, oh.
Wait! I think you like this helicopter? Helicopter? Here.
You want a helicopter? Ayaw mo si Thomas. Di kasi si Thomas ang sabi mo gusto mo.
How would the girl one? Yes, this one. I want this. I want the one with this. He ran away.
He ran away. Let's go doon. Marami
He
pang...
ran away.
Yeah, he ran away.
Come here. Hindi Diana.
Come on, doon pa. Ang dami pang toys doon, oh. Yan ang gusto mo. Si Thomas, sabi mo, ah. Sabi mo si Thomas. Yun, oh. Nandito siya. Ayun. Hey.
Huwag ka umakyat dyan. The transformer?
No.
Ito?
No, wait. Let me show my mom. Wait now. No, this the glass. You need to run away. This one.
Ay. Ayana, are you sure? Si Emily ang kukunin mo? Hindi si Thomas?
Anita,
O, dun pa.
the bata.
Marami pa dyan toys. Ay, dito, here. Anak, dito. Yun.
The bata.
This. Nga, hindi yan, anak. How about a bag? Yung pang dami pang toys. Let's go. Nandun siya sa mami niya.
What is the idea?
Price muna. Careful, baka matapon. Ah. Good job. Oops.